Okay, okay. I'm hungry. I'm fucking hungry. Hungry. I don't know. I'm hungry. Either, like, bruh, I'm so fucking retarded. Whee! Now I can be in first. Alright. I have claimed this spot to be mine. It is mine. They were laughing at you. I'm putting this in a totally different fucking lane. Fuck it, bruh. We in this lane now. Beach. Ugh. There's gotta be an easier way to do this shit. Fucking uphill, like, bruh. Just lets go of bike, fucking drops it. Ugh, I'd fucking cry. Ugh, where's the kickstand? There it is. Oh, yes! Ugh, gotta make sure I have my steering lock. Fuck! Alright, gimme. Yeah! Alright. Gotta get my extra security out because I don't trust people. Oh, I'm fucking hungry, bruh. Oh my god, look at this stupid ass fucking shit that I'm doing. It works though because it's like in the thingy. I don't know if you can see it, but like it's in the little thing. So I really hope I stay because it's not pacing after this shit. Fucking $40 cargo. But it's okay. I live close. I don't have to go that's my fucking thing going to do it. Ah! Oh my god, I feel so retarded, bro. It's gonna have to sit like this, literally. Bro. Oh my god. Did I? Yeah, I think so. I hope my shit's all... Nice lady. actually go to this end? You know, I totally still could have gone because I'm a stupid bitch, but, you know, I do stupid things. This is so funny, bro. Bro, watch me. I'm about to mission accomplish this shit. Whee! I honestly love the cold air on my face right now because I'm wearing like full gear and I didn't take any of it off inside because I was like, fuck that. But now I'm like outside and I don't know how, it's probably like 40s, like mid 40s maybe. And it honestly feels great. Like, oh my god, look at that pothole. Nope. It's not even that bad. We get some other ones like in Norfolk. Oh my god, I get scared at Portsmouth. Oh, P-Town. Whee! I hate how close together they have this shit. Because when you turn in like that, it's like, bleh. Literally, bleh. Oh my god, this wind on my face feels fucking great, bro. Like, actually, my eyes are watering as shit, but like, oh, yes. Because I was so hot inside, bruh. So, like, I can't believe it because I was, shopping in the clearance section. I was getting one of my friends some clothes for his interview. And all the nice pants that I was saying was like 20, 30 bucks. And I didn't mind spending that. But like I am kind of broke as hell right now. But I do want to help. So I went in the clearance section. I still found some nice ass dress pants. It was like 11 bucks. So I picked them out. And it's these ones, they're in here. But I picked them out. And I went to bring it up, and it was not scanning whenever I like would do the barcode thing. So I called the employee over, and she came over, and she rung it up through the other tag, because obviously there was the original tag and there was the clearance tag. When she rung it up, it said $7, and she said, well, there you go, you just got it cheaper. And I was like, oh my gosh. Bro, but was that like a scam, though? Because if you think about it, why was it $7 from the original tag? That's like weird. And then he's trying to say $11, like, weird. But we both were like, bet $7. Bet. I bet you I'm next. Oh, this wind, yes. Look at those pretty lights on the thing. Assume position. Yes. Avoid that water. Oh, that sheet. Smell it. I can't wait when I go home. I can actually soak again. Yay! Whee! I feel like fucking Humpty Dumpty over here with my fucking plastic bag on my take. Oh my god, I'm fucking weak.